Hey guys, this is Smriti. Welcome to my channel. If you guys are new here, welcome. And if you guys have already been subscribed to the channel, thank you so much for subscribing. Today's video is a very special video. I actually got a few things from KKW Beauty as they were going with like a massive sale. So I got their classic eyeshadow palette, the classic Blossom one, and then I got their two lipsticks. I already do have their lip liners with me. So we're going to try a bunch of things on our face from KKW Beauty. So yeah, apart from that, I also do have my eye primer on, and that is from Lorac, and this is the behind the scenes eye primer. Now let's just quickly dive into the eyeshadow palette because that was actually the main, showstopper of this video. The shades are very pretty. Now I did swatch this palette and it's a very burgundy tone, pinky tone palette, hence the top. You guys know how much I love to match my top with my eyeshadow palettes. So yeah, this is how everything is looking so far. I always had that issue that this section might be very light for me. We're going to test it out and see if it is a medium tan skin tone friendly palette or not. I actually got this palette for $11 and I got it from Ulta Beauty. So if you guys still can find it and if it works beautifully, then for $11 it won't harm anybody. I am going to first set my eyes with this matte skin tone shade and then just apply it right on top of the eye primer so that everything blends smoothly on top. It definitely has quite a bit of pigment, as I can like see the the eyeshadow sticking on top of the primer. Now similarly, I'm going to dip into the pinky shade from the palette. I'm going to apply that in the crease as like the transitioning shade. It's actually showing up pretty well on my skin tone. In the pan, it appears to be much more lighter. Yeah, if you guys can hear my boys in the background, they're playing in the backyard. So they're just yelling. Powders are very blendable and it's showing up beautifully on my skin tone. So very excited about that. Let's see if it can get a little more deep with this like taupey gray shade. It can be a bad move from my side, but we'll see. Oh wow. From where is that coming? It has a little bit of burgundiness to the shade. Can you see that? But it is a taupey shade, but with like a slight amount of rosiness to it. Wow, was not expecting that at all. I'm going to take the same shade on my lower lash line. With those two shades alone, I am pretty happy with these shades. Look at my eyes. It has got enough depth with those light shades. I'm super impressed. Okay, so now I want to dip into this. No, let's dip into this burgundy shade first. This is gonna turn out to be like a good fall eye. Super excited about that. My favorite season is fall. I look forward to like the leaves changing color, those burgundy tones. I love jewel tones. I just love it. I love the season. I hate winters. I just do. I cannot bear winters at all. I'm okay with spring, summer, and I love fall. I'm super happy with this palette actually. This is the first time me trying KKW Beauty, and so far the shades are blending beautiful. And for the price that I paid, oh my god, I think it's a steal. I like it. I really like it. Now just to deepen it up a tiny little more, I'm going to take this deep dark shade with like a small blending brush. This shade is super powdery. I'm going to just tuck it in the outer corners and right in the inner corner. I'm going to dip back into that blending brush and just blend everything together. Is it like my favorite formula that I've ever tried? No, not really. But is it good? I think it's really, really good. I think in her whole line, the Camo palette and the Classic Blossom palette is my favorite color story so far. This being the palette that I would wear the most, but if you talk about the color story, which is a little more on the unique side, I think the Camo palette is really good. Now for the lid shade, I want to try this shade. It's more of like a rose goldy shade, I would say. Oh wow, look at that. Super creamy, super impactful. Oh, very happy about that, okay? Very smooth on the eyes. And it's not like that thick shimmer shade. It's very lightweight also. Take that blending shade, the same blending shade, dip into that burgundy tone shade, this one, just a tiny little bit, just to blend everything together so that there's no harsh lines. I'm going to take that same shade and apply a tiny little bit on the inner corners too. It's definitely not that brightening, but I cannot see any more like a brightening shimmer shade for my inner corners, but I can definitely apply that matte cream shade on top of it, just if I want to make it a little more bright. See, just like that. Just like that. I'm super happy with this. I'll finish my eyes with some liner and mascara and then we'll move on to the lips. So that's how the eyes are looking so far. I finished it off with my Essence liquid liner, and for mascara, I took my Lancome's Monshore Big Mascara. For the lips, let's finish off with the lip liner. I think I'm gonna try Nude 2.5 on my lips today. Just like that. And for the lipsticks, I do have two lipsticks with me. One is Classic Icon 1 and the other one is Nude 2. I think Nude 2 is going to be super light for this look, and it's more on the peachier side. I'm looking for more of like a mauvey lipstick, so I think I'm going to try Classic Icon 1 lipstick, and this is more of like that mauvey shade. This can be like my everyday shade. A very 90s shade. Super creamy. Oh wow, I love this shade. Especially paired with that liquid the lip liner. It's amazing. It's very... I feel like it's gonna break because it's very wobbly, so I'll have to take care of that. But the lipstick packaging is also stunning, okay? I had seen these lipsticks on like the internet so much, but it felt like very cheap packaging, but in the hand it looks very sturdy. And that's the shade Classic Icon 1. And let me just swatch the Nude 2 shade also for you guys. Oh, these lipsticks are very creamy, and I can feel like this moving and breaking because it's that creamy. It's a super peachy nude shade. I would like pair that with like a smoky eye. But yeah, I'm very happy with the look so far. I'm impressed. I really love the eyes. I really love the lipstick. Lip liners have always been my favorite. So yes, that's all for today, guys. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video and you did like me testing out KKW Beauty for the first time. I really like it. If it's still on sale, I'll link everything in the description box below. Do check it out if you haven't already. And for a steal eyeshadow palette for $11, these lipsticks were for $4.50, $4.50 I think, under $5. You cannot beat it. And yeah, that's all for today, guys. Do give it a thumbs up if you did like this video, and do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and ring that notification bell so that you are notified every time that I post next. I generally upload 3 times a week, every Tuesdays, Thursdays and Saturdays at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Until next time, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.